arrival, we present the story of your life, the legend of our proud young lamb cub named Simba became the royal king of Red Rock. It is a story of courage. It is the legend of the Lion King.
我哋而家講俾大家聽獅子王嘅傳奇故事。
Wow, guys, I don't know what to say. I'm very honored.
I'll be portraying myself, of course. After all, who else has my charm, my grace, my heroic physique?
And I'm pretending to be who's
聽過個 Red Rock
Star 是白嘅叔叔啊，佢用間嘅非禮勿視，非禮勿聽，非禮勿
Nala, she was charming, sweet, and she brings strength and love to Simba.
丹拿生得又靚，心地又好啊！先爸真係有福氣啊！
But who's gonna play Simba when he was just a little guy?
係喎，咁邊個嚟扮演小先爸？
Who's gonna play me?
Watch this.